Unahon naton ini nga portion lahan web, tas i-multiply na lang naton hin 2, di ba? Pareho laman iton. Okay? Okay, so i-ano naton nga diha, i-isolate. So this is peradto ini, this is 1.34678. This is in megapascal. Tas diri naman this is 1.57845. This is in megapascal. So ini nga stress diagram nakakalat hiya didi ini nga area. Okay? Take note that from the simple stress, di ba? Ang stress naton, stress is equal to force over area. So if you are trying to solve for the force, that is stress times area. So isosolve naton ang force, ang shear force iton actually. So that is equal to the stress and stress multiplied kung haing nakakalat nga area. Diba? We already have the area. Sa ila pagbiling hit area because we already have the dimension of this of the area, and that is 170 by 80. Diba? Butang ko dili. This is 170 by 80. Okay, so meron na kita area. Ang aton na lang stress, because the stress is uniformly varying. That is a curve, a second degree curve. So how do we solve that? Okay? Di ba masahil na pag-solve? If we try to, if you look at here, ini nga part, i-shade ko ha, i-shade ko. Ini nga part, that is a spandrel. Di ba? Spandrel ito niya. Okay, meron kami spandrel. Okay, segue again. Okay, you have a rectangle. Okay, spandrel ito niya. If and only if, okay? If and only if one of the corner is the highest point on the curve or the maximum point on the curve. Okay? Pananglitan may ka parabola, di ba? Nasa galit parabola. This is the highest point of the parabola. Okay. Mag-drawing ka nga didihin ko nasugad. Okay. This one right here is not a spandrel. Okay? Magwala ka didirin niya spandrel. Magiging spandrel right here if one of the point dito ang spandrel add to highest point. Yan. This is a spandrel. Okay? Or didi. Ini. Yan. This is a spandrel because one of the point dito actually rectangle man ito, di ba? Rectangle. Ano sa nga rectangle dida, ang point ang corner o sa nga rectangle, nag-add to dito highest point parabola. Okay? Second degree parabola. Okay, yan. E di, if you can, di ba? Kita daw ni ano bang nangyayari? Bakit loading? Okay. Di ba naya ka na kayo, this is second degree. This is basically a parabola. Okay? So maghimo ka nga ni didahin ko hin rectangle din in rectangle. And ma-form nga shape dida is a spandrel because one of the corner of the rectangle add to dito highest point parabola. Okay? Ani din yung highest. So this is a spandrel. So one way to determine and force ato naging bibilin. Di ba nayakang kita pwede gihap an volume. Nakakanumdum ka mo, pwede gihap natin, pwede natin gamitin an stress, average stress times the area, or we can also find the force by the volume of the ano ba tan volume stress diagram. Ba? Ang stress diagram. If you can still recall, nasugad pala naton. Diba nasugad nga ni adto? Nakakarundom ba ka mo? Nasugad. Diba kuha natin ang volume, tapos asyeto niya ang force. Dinhi, similar ini dinhi, tiyanhi. Kumbaga nasugad dito niya. Amin ang area kung hain nakakalat an stress, tapos may nasugad dinhi. Sa taas nga di tapos. Sugad. Nag-gets niyo? Sana nag-gets niyo, class?
Yes, sir.
So, ang face, ini nga face, this face right here, ini. Amo yung height yan. Okay? So, kukuha ka area, tapos i-multiply lang natin han distance. Sino nga distance? Amo ito niyan volume. Diba? So, get the area, in yung area, tapos i-multiply yan didi. Kasi ito it force. Okay? Question, how can we solve for the area here? Force is equal to, pero ba yung area? Pag-solve palit ng area, ha? Let me erase this one. Paano natin masasolve yung area? So, what it pag-solve it area? Okay, duduha itong area. Kita, di ba? Rectangle. The whole area lang na. Ini nga area. Ini. The whole rectangle. That is equal to 1.57845. Utang ko din ha. 1.57845 minus, no. Not minus. Times ini nga height. What's the height? That's 170, right? Alam mo, 170. Ini. So that is 170. Okay. Kasi ima-minus ko ang spandrel. Ano ba ang area ng spandrel? Diba? Second degree, so 1/3. Second degree man. 1/3 of the base times height. The base is the difference between 1 point. Focus kita dito spandrel. And in a base is ini nga distance. Diba? And that is equal to 1.57845 minus 1.34678. Plus ang iya height again, which is 170. Okay, butang ko dito ha. 1.57845 minus 1.34678 times 170. Okay. That's the area pa lang ha. That's the area pa lang dida. Volume natin yung bibiling. Multiply pa natin yung nga distance. And that is 80. Okay? Times terabyte force. Terabyte force. Sige, try to solve please.
20,416.68267.
20,416.68267. Okay, so, kasi ito nito force, dida. Okay, and dida pala ito niya. If you are to find the force on the whole web, didahan web, times 2. Kaya and dida pala ito niya nga portion, di ba? So, didi pa, times 2. Kaya, force, ibutan ko lang, force on the web is equal to, ita times 2 na lang natin ito niya. Pera ba? Times 2.
43.
That is 40,833. 40.83336. This is in kilonewton. Ito na yan, force sa web. So to answer the question, how many percent? Pero ba niya percentage? Percentage on web. And shear. And shear ha? Pero ba? 40.83336 divided by 50. 50 ba ito? 50 di ba?
Yes, sir.
That is
81.
81.66%.
81.67. This is 81.60. 5 decimal places kita. 5 decimal places.
6673.
66673. This is in percent. Diba? Ito na percentage carried by the web. Diba? Now, if you are asked, how many percent is carried by the flange? Sige daw. Ang flange naman.
19.333.
19.333. Yun minus mo lang.
27. Yes, sir.
18.
18 manit ako.
18.33326. 27 actually.
18.33327.
27.
This is in percent. Okay, so ito niya. Percentage of the force of the shear force carried by the flange. And that is equivalent to in force. Pero ito niya. Pera. 18.33327%
Times
times 50. That is 9.16635.
16664.
Ha? 4. This is in kilonewton. Kasya ba?
Yes, sir.
Diba? O, ada. Yan. Okay. Okay, so that's it. That's the percentage carried by the web and the percentage carried by the flange and its equivalent forces. Okay, so amo ito here. Now, as you can see, di ba, majority of the force, the shearing force is carried by the web. Only 16664. Sorry, 18, only 18% is carried by the flange. Okay, that is why, sometimes, kung naging papabiling haingyo, the average shearing stress, kung naging papabiling shearing stress average, tau ito niya, tau. It's a Greek letter, tau. Shearing stress represented by the shearing stress average. Kung average nga na ito formula, pagbibiling itong din is the shear force over the, okay, hindi ko ma-explain it area. Adi nga area ito gagamiton. Adi nga area. Ini. Their color. Okay? Dahil iyo solution. Okay? Ini nga area. Okay? Yan. Makita niyo nga area. Pero ito yung nga area. Sige daw. That's 80 multiplied by 500. Diba? 80 multiplied by 500. Your V is equal to 50 kilonewton. Pero ba average shearing stress? Okay? Pera ba? 50,
1.25.
50,000. 50,000 over 80 times 500. 1.25. 1.25. This is in megapascal. Yan. That's the average shearing stress. 1.25. Kung average shearing stress ang ginpapabiling. Okay? It's as if kung shearing stress nga ni it ginbibiling, gindi-disregard na ang flange, di ba? Ang ginbibiling, ang kukuha na lang nga area, and yan na lang nga area. Gindi-disregard na ang flanges. Okay? That's because of the fact that a majority of the forces are carried by the web. Only a small percent is carried by the flange. So, yan. Kung average shearing stress nga ni amit pagsosolve ito. Any question? Naintindihan ba? Pakiana ka mo, please. Do you have any question or any clarification?
So far, what I'm on, sir.
Alright, okay. Sige. Okay.